Hey, Kingdom of Kensington! This is Mr. Vaughn, principal at the one and only School of the Knights, here to welcome you to the 2021-2022 school year. Woo! We're excited to get back to a little bit of normal, but also maintain a bit of safety as we go forward this year. So this email that you're reading is packed with important information. Comb through it, look through it, make sure you don't miss anything. The most important thing is straight up at the top. It is the student information sheet. If you've gotten this far in the email and you haven't filled it out, pause the video. I know I look good. Go back to the top, fill out the student information sheet for every single student that you have at Kensington Elementary. The most important. The beauty is that takes care of all of our open house forms. That is our entire set of paperwork that we used to have you fill out. So it's all there in that one Google form. Now, we are pumped to have you come to our open houses this week. We start on Monday night with 5th grade and go all the way to Friday night with 1st grade, 4 to 6 p.m. every single night. When you come in, I want you to know our building is set up like a capital A with a big cross line in the back. Our younger grades are to the right and our older grades are to the left. So if that helps you when you get in the building, just remember you're reading backwards. Younger grades to the right, older grades to the left. So whatever day is your day, that'll help you go in the right direction. We'll have staff out there to tell you where your teacher's classroom is. So all you have to do is be on the lookout starting tomorrow for some teacher emails that will be coming throughout the week. Not all tomorrow, but throughout the week. And they will be there before your open house comes up. So look for those emails to find out your teachers' names. Then you can tell the people in the hall what teacher you're looking for, and then we will get you to the right spot. We cannot wait to meet you. When you come here, you are dropping off supplies. You are getting to meet that teacher briefly, and then you are taking off. We hope that 4 to 6 time frame works for you and your family, and we are super pumped to get this year started on the right foot. All right, without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to our new assistant principal, the one and only Kelly Romanowski.
Hey, Knights families. My name is Kelly Romanowski. I'm going to be your new assistant principal this year. I'm coming from Prospect Elementary School, where I was the assistant principal for 7 years. I'm really looking forward to meeting all the family and students this year. I plan to be at every open house, so if you want to come and stop and say hi, I'll be around. See you soon.
Hi there. I'm Nancy Stolnecker, your PTO president. This is the 5th year, actually, that I will be the PTO president. And, this did not start out very good, so let's cut it. Okay. Hi, my name is Nancy Stolnecker, and I am your PTO president. I want to thank everybody that nominated the entire board. We are all back again this year, and we are super excited to serve you and the kids and, have everybody back in the building and where we can do some fun events and activities for the kids. So the first thing I want to do is talk about open house. Open house, we're going to have a week-long open house by grade level, and we are going to be in the cafeteria. And you could come and you can talk to us. We have lots of volunteer opportunities. If there's something you're interested in, we can align that with what we have available. So please come and see us. We'll also have spirit wear. If you need to purchase some spirit wear for your kids or yourself, we're going to have spirit wear there. And also for those of you who purchase Sprout boxes, the delivery is coming Monday morning. So a bunch of us will be here unloading the truck and getting those boxes in your child's classroom. So you don't have to worry about that. We will have that in the child's classroom. One other thing that we're going to be doing this year, we had overwhelming support for the birthday grams that we did this past year, where Sir Kenny came out and brought your child a balloon, spirit stick, a little tag that they can put on their backpack. So the kids really enjoyed that. We worked with Mr. Vaughn to try and figure out how we could do that again. So we're going to continue the birthday grams this year. And because we're now allowed in the school, Sir Kenny will be wishing them a birthday in the cafeteria. So that's something we're going to continue. And I know how much the kids love Sir Kenny. So there'll be some excitement in the cafeteria this year with the kids. Another thing that we've brought back, another activity, is the Invest in a Night program. That has been going on for years, and the families love it. They kind of leave their legacy here by having their family name on the mural. The mural is behind me, is the main mural, and then on both sides of the school, we have more of the mural and the names of the families that have been here, that are here, some family businesses that sponsored a stone. They're also up there. So we did send something out. This is an ongoing fundraiser that we have, but we figured we were all excited to be in the school. So by next Wednesday, if you have your order in, we are going to go ahead and put that up for the first day of school. So you'll have it here for the first day of school. But again, that continues throughout the year. So if you can't get it in by then, that's fine too. So Invest in a Night is back, and we appreciate the past 2 years we weren't able to have that, and we had hashtag, okay, what was it? Hashtag Together Apart, Kensington Together Apart. Okay. So this Invest in a Night is going to be, again, replacing our Kensington Together Apart program, because we were able to do that in the midst of COVID. So we appreciate the support that we got through that. But the Invest in a Night is back, and we're excited about that. We are planning lots of fun events for you and the kids. So we're bringing back our movie nights over in Indian Land at Redstone. So we'll have that going on. We plan on doing our events that we've done in the past, like the Welcome Back Bash, the Father-Daughter Dance, the Mother-Son event, St. Patty's. So we have a lot on our calendar, and Mr. Vaughn has attached that. And again, this is a fluid calendar, so there's going to be additions, deletions, some changes. So it's something that you just want to check back every so often to make sure that you still have the most up-to-date one. So, and that's also going to be on our website. The one big thing that we are doing this year is Boosterthon. So we've heard your feedback about Boosterthon. So the PTO has met with the Boosterthon representatives, and we are taking it over this year. So you'll see an email coming out soon about opportunities for those of you who are interested in helping out with the Boosterthon. We have a bunch of activities that you can help out with if you'd like to. So look for that email coming out. We are also, again, this year, we'll have the spirit sticks back in the cafeteria. I know how much the kids love that, picking out from the hundreds of spirit sticks we have. So we're going to have that. And we're also planning on purchasing shirts for every child. So it's really important that you fill out the parent info form that Mr. Vaughn has attached here, and definitely include your child's size, because we like to order the shirts as soon as we can. That way the kids have them, to wear for Friday spirit wear days, or just to show their spirit for their school. So I know I've talked a lot about the stuff, but I have to tell you, I'm super excited that we're actually back in the school and we're able to do a lot of fun stuff for the families and for your kids. So we're also looking bringing back enrichment. Unfortunately, some of the vendors are no longer in business, so we are looking for some new vendors. So if there's anything that your child has done, if you know of a company that you think would be great to come to school, please send us an email and we'll reach out to them and see if we can organize them to come to participate in our after school enrichment program. Okay, and our information will be also included in this email, where you can get alerts from our website. You could go on our website. We also send out remind apps to keep you in the loop and to do a shout out so you're not missing anything. So all that stuff is in the email that Mr. Vaughn is sending out. So please take a look and sign up for that. Okay, again, I am Nancy Stolnecker, your PTO president. On behalf of the entire board, we are so thankful to have been able to serve you these past couple of years, and we're really looking forward to, bringing back some fun this year. So thank you very much.
Good morning. My name is Wilbur Pierce, and I am the co-chair of our Kensington Nightstands organization here at Kensington Elementary. Our organization started here in 2013, and really the intent of the group is to provide an outlet for fathers or father figures of our Kensington students to help to become more involved in the school and in the education of their children. It's our belief that children who see parents fully engaged and have some level of involvement in their education will enable their students to be more successful and engaged as they go through their academic career here at Kensington. So how do we achieve this mission? We do it really through a number of different activities, and I would classify it in terms of service to the school, networking, supporting the PTO either through their fundraising activities or other things that are in their mission to help support the school. And most importantly to us is it's really to provide a network for the fathers and father figures for them to engage here in the Kensington community. I myself, I am now in my 5th year as a Kensington dad, and I can tell you I am more plugged in as a dad than I think I would have been had an organization like this not existed here at Kensington. As far as how we are visible here at Kensington, the most level of engagement that you're going to see on a weekly basis is Fridays. You're going to see a bunch of guys out in the car line, most wearing shirts probably like this, and we take over the car line, and that provides an opportunity for our teacher assistants who run the car line the other 4 days a week to have some downtime or to help their teachers as they prepare for the next week and their planning activities, etc. And again, it gives us an opportunity to engage with each other and be visible for the students here at Kensington. Because of COVID last year, we kind of had to sit back, unfortunately, because we were limited in our ability to volunteer here at the school. But because of where we're going to go this year, we are thrilled that we're going to be back on campus. And so I want to take you through very briefly what our list of proposed activities are for the year. And we will have a table set up at the open house the week of the 16th, so that come by, talk to us more about what our intentions are. And we hope to see a ton of new dads as we all prepare for the new school year. So in terms of networking, the way that we primarily achieve our networking mission is we are calling it a meetup. It's once a month. We're targeting the first Thursday of each month. It'll be somewhere here in the Waxhaw area. And that is our primary networking vehicle. As far as service to Kensington, again, I mentioned the car line earlier. And then we are also working to partner with the PTO and with Mr. Vaughn on other areas where we can assist, whether it's campus beautification activities, if there's some way we can help with field day or booster-thon or something like that. We are certainly, as a Nightstands organization, open to helping support Kensington in that regard from a service aspect. And then fundraising. In the past, we've had 1 to 2 fundraising events a year that we as a dad's group have hosted. There are 2 opportunities that we are looking at this year. It's tentatively right now in the planning stages. One we have talked about is some sort of fall cornhole tournament to be hosted somewhere off campus locally in the Waxhaw area. And in the spring, we are looking at potentially some sort of 3-on-3 type basketball tournament, which will be a good opportunity during those winter months when we can't get outside as much to have some fun and hopefully raise a few bucks for the school. The basketball tournament, we're in the planning stages of that, so more details to come on that front. And then in addition, from a fundraising aspect, in the past, we have been at events for fundraising here at the school where you've seen us out in our blue shirts. We're flipping burgers and hot dogs and other concessions. So we certainly are looking for those opportunities to partner with the PTO to provide that service again for this upcoming school year. So in closing, we are very excited for this upcoming school year. We are thrilled to be coming back on campus and helping out wherever we can. We look forward to seeing you all at Open House and come by and talk with us. And we would love to have you be a part of our Nightstands organization. Thank you.